Today we are making one of the most loved comfort food sides in American home cooking. These are soft, warm and buttery KFC-Style Buttermilk Biscuits. They are fluffy inside, golden outside, and perfect to serve with oven-fried chicken and creamy mashed potatoes. The best part is that these biscuits are made with very simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's begin. To prepare this recipe you will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons butter, 3/4 cup buttermilk. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Sift the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Add the flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Step 3. Cut the butter into the flour mixture, using a pastry cutter or 2 knives until the mixture has a coarse crumb texture. Step 4. Slowly add the buttermilk and mix gently until a soft dough forms. The dough should be soft but not sticky. If necessary, add a small amount of flour. Step 5. Knead the dough lightly for about 1 minute. Step 6. Wrap the dough in foil or wax paper and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. Step 7. Roll the dough on a lightly floured surface until it is about ½ inch thick. Step 8. Cut the biscuits using a biscuit cutter or a drinking glass. Step 9. Place the biscuits on a dark baking sheet. Step 10. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the biscuits become golden brown. And there you have it. Warm, soft and delicious buttermilk biscuits that are perfect for a comforting family meal. If you would like to complete this classic comfort food dinner, check the description of this video where you will find the recipes for our crispy oven-fried chicken and our creamy home-style mashed potatoes. Together they create a perfect home-style meal that families love. Thank you for visiting Smart Kitchen and enjoy your meal.